Assalamu alaikum class, this is the teacher Ms. Sayyida Fatma Noor. Now we are going to start a new topic which is prepositions of place. A preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun. It shows a place, time or direction. For example, in the sentence, my mother was in the kitchen. The noun is the kitchen and the preposition of place is in. ओके प्रीपोजिशंस क्या होते हैं? वो वर्ड्स जो कि हमें किसी चीज़ की जो कि हम प्लेस करें बिफोर नाउन या प्रोनाउन एंड वो हमें किसी चीज़ की जगह, टाइम या डायरेक्शन बताएं. ओके, सो हियर प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस इज इन दिस सेंटेंस नंबर 1. Okay, prepositions of place basically tells where something is placed or is present. Okay, in this sentence number 1, it shows that the mother is present in the kitchen. Okay, there is to note that whenever preposition is placed before a noun or pronoun, so the noun and pronoun that is placed after the preposition is called the object of preposition. जब भी हम obviously अभी we have told that preposition को हम noun या pronoun से पहले लगाते हैं. ठीक है, तो जो noun या pronoun हम preposition के बाद place करेंगे वो preposition का object होगा. Clear? For example, kitchen is the object of preposition. Him is object of preposition. Noon is object of preposition and school is object of preposition. In the 4 sentences given before. Okay, there are a lot of prepositions of place that we use. For example, in, at, on, under, near, beside and besides, over, before, behind, during. All of these are called the prepositions of place. For example, in the first preposition of place in, there is some salt in the salt cellar. तो इन क्या बताया है कि जो सॉल्ट है वो कहाँ है? सॉल्ट सेलर के अंदर है. ठीक है, शैला इज़ इन द रूम. शी लिव्स इन पाकिस्तान. द एग्स आर इन द बाउल. ओके, एट, whenever we use at, we are using it when we are talking about that something is at an specific place. Okay, जब कोई चीज़ किसी एक स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट पे होगी तो तब हम एट यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, वी वेटेड एट द बस स्टॉप. बस स्टॉप इज़ स्पेसिफिक, सो वी आर यूजिंग एट हियर. आई शैल मीट यू एट द स्टेशन. माई फादर इज़ एट वर्क. वी शैल मीट एट असलम्स. Okay, next is on. We only use on when there is a surface of something present. Okay, जब किसी चीज़ की कोई surface से related हम बात करेंगे. For example, floor है, floor has a surface. Okay, a table has a surface. Then we use on as a preposition. For example, the books are on the table. The crow is sitting on the wall. Wall also has surface. She lives on the first floor. The boys are sitting on the roof. Every example, the preposition of object has a surface, right? Okay, next is under. The dog is under the tree. When we use under when there is something in, जब कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ के नीचे हो या उसके अंदर हो. अंदर, दिस इज़ नॉट अंडर, इट्स अंदर, उसके नीचे रखी हुई हो, तो तब हम यूज़ करेंगे अंडर. The dog is under the tree. The brush is under the table. The bench is under the tree. The ball is under the chair. Okay. Acha, next is near. The shoes are near the sofa. The horse is near the gate. The cat is near the rat. The chicks are near the hen. Okay, next is beside and besides. She is sitting beside me. Beside मतलब मेरे पास बैठी हुई है. The lamp is beside the vase. You can say it beside means मेरे साथ बैठी हुई है या मेरे पास है, नज़दीक, करीब है. Okay, there are chairs in the room besides table. Now, whenever we use a plural noun, for example, in this case, we are talking about chairs. Not a chair, not a single chair, we are talking about a lot of chairs. So that's why we are using besides instead of beside. We are using the plural besides here for plural noun. Okay. Besides working as a doctor, he also writes. Now we are talking about two things, that he writes and he is a doctor as well. So that's why we are using besides. Next is over. Some birds flew over his house. जब हम ऐसी किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करें जो किसी दूसरी चीज़ के ऊपर से जा रही हो, then we will use over. The bulb is hanging over the table. I looked over his head. The sun was over our heads at noon. Next is before. Her name comes before mine. He was standing before me. She was standing before the mirror. The letter A comes before the letter B. Next, behind. Jamal is behind his mom. Behind is means that someone is, कोई किसी के पीछे हो. ठीक है, तो तब हम यूज़ करेंगे behind. या कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ के पीछे हो. The chair is behind the table. The tree is behind the bench. Sana hid behind the sofa. Next is doing. Do not sleep during the lecture. Do not make a noise during the lecture. Okay, so now what you have to do, I hope everything is clear from the explanation. Now we have to do exercise A and B of page number 152. I have already wrote the answers here, but first you have to do your both of the exercises on your own, so that it is a practice for you. And after that, after doing it yourself, you can check the answers and match the answers from the video. Okay, but first do it yourself. Okay, Naveed is swimming in the swimming pool. Noor is sitting on the wooden stool. Okay, these are all the. In the first exercise, we have to use exercise A, preposition in, on or at. आपको सिर्फ ये 3 prepositions को use करना है. And in exercise B, आपको यूज़ करने हैं under, near, in front of and over. सिर्फ ये 4 आपको यूज़ करने हैं. in front of जब हम किसी चीज़ के सामने हों. under आपको बता चुकी हूँ. over भी बता चुकी हूँ. near जब कोई चीज़ किसी के पास हो या नज़दीक हो. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to you, and this is all from this topic. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.